Hey Laurie, how's it going? It's Jake from Handy Chevy. Beautiful day here. I just wanted to make you a quick video on this 2022 Tahoe Premier. Super sweet, it's black. I know the other one you were looking at was silver. Got the chromed out front end. Step side here. This one's got heated mirrors, blind zone assist here as well. It's got a super unique color. I really like this tan. Bose audio system, heated, cooled seats. You got a wireless charger in there, a little compass cluster on the front there, panoramic sunroof. Come on back here, you got the captain's chairs. You've got heated seats in the rear as well. Tons of room back here. It's a sweet, sweet car. There's only 15,000 miles on it. And of course you got the power liftgate here. Got some WeatherTech protection back here as well. You could drop all the seats from the back and the front as well. Got a pretty sweet little power outlet here as well. Anyways, if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call at 802-528-2132. Thank you very much and have a great day.